Hi everyone and welcome to this channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you one of the best build out there, and this build is one of the best. It's better than this Xenon, better than any other build out there currently. It's working as you can see from my screen, but because of the recent YouTube community guidelines, I'm not gonna show you the content of this video or how to have this build on your device. So click the link on the comment section. It will take you to where you will get this build have on your device. The link on the comment section or the link on the description, any of them can go. So this is the content of the build, as you can see. So this is it. Okay, and this is it. You can have your read debris on everything here. So check this build out and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. See you guys in my next video. And also you can find builds, other builds within this is the build. This is it. Yeah. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. See you guys in my next video.